84-year-old compressed air company to provide faster repair services. Forest Park, Georgia, March 27, 2020. Pi Barker Engineered Solutions. www.pyebarker.com announced today that they are joining their business operations with Coastal Air Compressor, Inc. to offer an expanded mix of products and enhanced service capabilities to Georgia's manufacturing and industrial market. Pi Barker has provided compressed air, pumping, and blower vacuum systems since 1936. This month, they acquire all of Coastal Air Compressor's assets, employees, and customer contracts. This includes their complete line of replacement lubricants, air compressor rental, rebuild services, and their new and pre-owned air compressor dryer sales and service operations with replacement and original equipment manufacturer parts. It was time to sell the business, and we were looking for a respected company within the industry that shared our values and commitment to the customer, states Larry D. Rivers, Coastal Air Compressor, Inc. President. Having competed with Pi Barker Engineered Solutions for years, I have always known them to provide best-in-class products and services and to operate with the highest integrity. So, we know they are the right choice to offer exceptional service, an expanded product mix, and full engineering support to our long-standing customer base, known for their personal attention and commitment to quality service work. Coastal Air Compressor, Inc. is a privately owned business backed by over 30 years of air compressor service and repair experience in Sylvania, Georgia. This acquisition is an exciting opportunity to significantly enhance our service team and provide our customers with even more timely response to their repair and maintenance needs, regardless of the product or equipment, states Eric Lunsford, Pi Barker Engineered Solutions President and CEO. And our new service center already has all the appropriate tools and equipment ready to go. We will also be adding a few more skilled technicians to significantly improve repair turnaround times for our customers. The building at 452 Industrial Park Road, Sylvania, Georgia 30467, will become Pi Barker's official compressed air service center for all air compressors and compressed air accessories that can't be repaired in the field. The current service technicians will continue their work out of this location as Pi Barker team members. All products and services are backed by Pi Barker's 225 years of combined engineering expertise, certified maintenance and repair services, and their 100% satisfaction guarantee. As our Georgia customers look to streamline their operations and optimize equipment performance, they can expect increased availability of service technicians from this acquisition to help them save time and money, says Lunsford. We look forward to future growth and the opportunity to exceed our customers' changing needs. For more information, visit www.pyebarker.com. About Pi Barker Engineered Solutions. Founded in 1936, Pi Barker specializes in creating engineered solutions to help industrial companies in Georgia and now Florida with their compressed air, pumping, and blower vacuum systems. With over 225 years of combined engineering experience, they help clients create engineered solutions specific to their needs. Then, they deliver the highest quality products and services possible, all backed by certified maintenance and repair and their unique 100% satisfaction, risk-free guarantee. With offices in Forest Park in Savannah, Georgia and Orlando, Florida, Pi Barker Engineered Solutions is ready to service the needs of local customers quickly and cost-effectively. For more information, visit www.pyebarker.com or call 738-5810.